Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 2nd of January 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 2nd of January 2020. Our first question is, in which of the following cities PM Narendra Modi has flagged off the country's first ever fully automated driverless train? Answer is option number 1, Delhi. India's first driverless, fully automated metro train has been flagged off in Delhi by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. The train service will be operated on Delhi Metro's Magenta line, which connects Delhi's Janakpuri West and Noida's Botanical Garden. PM Narendra Modi has also launched a fully operational National Common Mobility Card for travel on the Airport Express line of Delhi Metro. Answer will be option number 1, Delhi. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new chairman of Selection Committee of Indian Cricket Team by BCCI recently? What is BCCI? Long form is Board of Control for Cricket in India. It was formed on 1928. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently president is Sourav Ganguly. And recently BCCI has appointed Chetan Sharma as the new chairman of Selection Committee of Indian Cricket Team. Answer will be option number 2. Chetan Sharma is a former Indian cricketer and politician who played Test and ODI as a fast bowler for Indian cricket team. Answer will be option number 2. Third question is, Sungta Kumari has recently died at the age of 94. She was dash. Answer is option number 4, poet. Look at the image. This was Sungta Kumari. She was an Indian poet and activist who was at the forefront of environmental and feminist movements in Kerala. She has been described among the most sensitive and most philosophical of contemporary Malayalam poets, and recently she has died at the age of 94. Answer will be option number 4. Also, she has been awarded with Kerala Sahitya Akademi Award for Poetry in 1968, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1978, Padma Shri in 2006 and Ejuthajan Award in 2009. Next question is, which of the following day is celebrated as Good Governance Day in India? Answer is option number 1st, 25th December. Every year, 25th December is celebrated as Good Governance Day in India. It is the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister of India Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This day was established in 2014 to honor PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee for fostering awareness among the Indian people of accountability in governance. Answer will be option number 1, 25th December. Next question is, International Gita Mahotsav 2020 has been organized in which of the following cities recently? Answer is option number 1, Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is in Haryana. And International Gita Mahotsav is an event centered around the Bhagavad Gita. It is celebrated on the Shukla Ekadashi, the 11th day of the waxing moon of the Margashish month of the Hindu calendar. And recently, International Gita Mahotsav 2020 has been organized in Kurukshetra between 17th to 25th of December 2020. Answer will be option number 1, Kurukshetra. Next question is, NADA has recently banned Satnam Singh Bhamra for 2 years. He is associated with dash. Answer is option number 4, basketball. Look into the image. This is Satnam Singh Bhamra. He is an Indian professional basketball player and he belongs to Punjab. And recently, NADA has imposed a 2-year ban on basketball player Satnam Singh Bhamra for doping. Answer will be option number 4, basketball. What is NADA? Long form of NADA is National Anti-Doping Agency. It is a national organization responsible for promoting, coordinating and monitoring the doping control program in sports in India. It was formed on 24th of November 2005. Headquarters is in New Delhi and president is Sports Minister of India, currently Kiran Rijiju. Next question is, which of the following state has won the Digital India Award 2020? Answer is option number 3, Bihar. What is Digital India Award? Digital India Awards have been instituted under the ambit of National Portal of India to honor exemplary initiatives or practices in digital governance. The National Portal of India is a flagship project to facilitate single window access in government information and services in cyberspace, and the award has been held for 5 seasons earlier in 2009, 2012, 2014, 2016 and 2018, and the award were initially known as Web Ratna Award until 2014 and were renamed Digital India Award from 2016 season. And during the pandemic, the Bihar government took an initiative to transfer financial assistance directly to the accounts of nearly 21 lakh stranded workers outside Bihar through Bihar Sahayata mobile app. For this effort, the state government of Bihar has won pandemic category Digital India Award 2020. Answer will be option number 3, Bihar. Bihar, look at the map. This is Bihar. Capital of Bihar is Patna, Governor is Fagu Chauhan, Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar. Its Legislative Assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha, has 243 members, and in Vidhan Parishad there are 75 members. 14 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 16 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Bihar. It borders with Nepal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. It is the 12th state according to area and third according to population in India, and Ganga, Bagmati, Kosi, Gandak, Mahananda, Son are the main rivers of Bihar. Next, which of the following state government has launched a career portal for secondary and higher secondary students in collaboration with UNICEF? Answer is option number 3, Odisha. Recently, the Department of Schools and Mass Education, Government of Odisha, in collaboration with UNICEF, has launched a career portal for secondary and higher secondary students to help them with expert advice on their future careers. The portal will provide easy access to information on different careers and will give students an opportunity to interact with teachers. Students will also able to access career guidance services through a mobile friendly app created specially for the portal. Answer will be option number 3, Odisha. What is UNICEF? Long form of UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It was founded on 11th of December 1946. Headquarters is in New York City, and currently head of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. And Odisha, look at the map. This is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganesh Lal. Chief Minister is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 members. 21 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next, which of the following navy has inducted the submarine INS Sindhuvir, which was handed over by Indian Navy? Answer is option number 1, Myanmar. The Myanmar Navy has officially inducted the submarine INS Sindhuvir, which was handed over by Indian Navy to the country in October 2020. The INS Sindhuvir was commissioned to mark the 73rd anniversary of Myanmar Navy, and the INS Sindhuvir has been renamed as the UMS Min-A Thingtu by the Myanmar Navy, and this is the first submarine in the Myanmar Navy's arsenal. Answer will be option number 1, Myanmar. Look at the myth. This is INS Sindhuvir and this is Myanmar. Capital of Myanmar is Nephew. President is Win Mint and currency of Myanmar is CAT. Next, which of the following state government has launched a mobile application and web portal called PR Insight? Answer is option number 4, Punjab. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh has recently launched mobile application and web portal called PR Insight to improve the delivery of citizen-centric services based upon the feedback of citizens on government policies. Answer will be option number 4, Punjab. Punjab, this is Punjab. Capital is Chandigarh. Governor is VP Singh Badnor. Chief Minister is Amarinder Singh. Its legislature has 117 members and 13 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 7 members are elected to Rajya Sabha. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, according to the recently released Status of Leopard in India 2018, the population of leopard in India has increased by -% in 4 years since 2014. Answer is option number 3, 60%. Second question was, who has been awarded with BBC Sports Personality of the Year 2020? Answer is option number 1, Lewis Hamilton. Who among the following has been awarded with ASSOCHAM Enterprise of the Century Award recently? Answer is option number 1, Ratan Tata. A post office in which of the following country has been named after Indian origin person? Answer is option number 4, America. In which of the following states a rescue and rehabilitation center for monkeys has been set up recently? Answer is option number 4, Telangana. The government of India has decided to set up a high-level committee to plan the commemoration of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose 125th birth anniversary in 2022. The committee will be headed by dash. Answer is option number 1, Amit Shah. Amit Shah is the Home Minister of India. Which of the following state government has recently launched a special campaign Varsat to curb property and land related disputes in rural areas? Answer is option number 3, Uttar Pradesh. What will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by NCAER? Answer is option number 3, minus 7.3%. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who among the following has been awarded with 2020's United Nations Population Award recently? Answer is option number 1, Help Age India. Now today's question is, which of the following state government has recently launched Mahasharath portal to help persons with disabilities or Divyang? Options are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala and Karnataka. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.